Today, I'm going to show you how to make a one-to-one video in CapCut, step by step, in just a few minutes. This is super useful if you want your video to look perfect for Instagram posts, Facebook, thumbnails, or any square format platform. If you've ever opened CapCut and wondered how to change your video into the 1:1 ratio, this tutorial will walk you through it clearly from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure the video you want to edit is already in the timeline. This is important because the ratio settings will affect the full project layout, so you want to start with the correct clip selected and ready to edit. Once your video is in the timeline, look at the preview player above the timeline area. Under the preview window, you'll see the ratio option. Click on that ratio setting. This is where CapCut lets you change the shape and layout of your video frame. After you click the ratio option, a list of different aspect ratios will appear. From that list, choose 1:1. This sets your project to a square format. As soon as you select it, you'll notice the preview area change, so your video fits into a square canvas instead of a wide rectangle. Now that the ratio is set to 1:1, the next step is to adjust the video position and scale. Because changing the ratio can crop or shift the clip, you may need to move the video around so the main subject stays centered and visible. You can drag the video within the preview to reposition it, and you can also zoom in or out to make sure it fills the frame the way you want. Take a moment here to fine-tune the look. If the subject is too close to the edge, move it back toward the center. If there are black borders or too much empty space, adjust the scale until the video looks clean and balanced in the square format. This step is what makes the final result look polished instead of awkward or cropped the wrong way. Once everything looks good, give it one final check in the preview. Make sure the important part of the video is visible, the framing looks right, and the square layout is exactly how you want it. This is the best time to catch any small adjustments before exporting. When you're happy with the setup, click Export to save your video. CapCut will render the project in the 1:1 format, and then you can save it to your device and use it anywhere you need a square video. So that's how to make a 1:1 video in CapCut, in a few easy steps. Select the video in the timeline. Click Ratio under the preview player. Choose 1:1, adjust the position and scale, and then export your finished video. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.